What's going on, guys? McGyver, and welcome to another video on this awesome channel. Okay, so most of you guys already know what this is all about because of the thumbnail, the title, and the first clip in the intro of this video. Well, on today's video, we're going to build and unbox one of your childhood memories. And for those who are just watching this and are too young to know what these are the mini 4-wheel drive by Tamiya. This one is my very first mini 4-wheel drive toy. I tried to find this specific version and model because it has a, nostalgic feel, which is what this series is all about. So first, we're going to unbox this mini 4-wheel drive called Max Breaker. Okay, so make sure that you have a scissor or a knife, and make sure that if you're under 18 or 16 and don't know how to use scissors, make sure that you find the help of your parents or any adult that is with you. Okay, so for me, well, I'm already an adult, so pretty much I can use this, but still caution on using a knife or scissor. You may cut yourself and produce unimaginable results to your skin whatsoever. If I do make sense. Anyway, okay, so what's in the box are the tires. Wait, these are the mags or the rims, the tires, the actual tires, the body kit or the body itself, and the chassis. Also, shout out to Tamiya, or if I'm pronouncing the correct name, you can check their Facebook page in the description below. But thank you guys. Shout out to the owner because he included motor parts, which are not usually included when you buy original ones. Okay, but you can guys correct me if I'm wrong. But pretty much that's what's in the box. So first we're going to use, I think knife is better, but we're going to use the scissors to cut the rims or tires, and let's use the knife to clear out some unwanted plastic. Okay, so this is a quick one, but if not, I'm going to fast forward the video and show you some of the end result as much as possible. Okay, now that we're done with the last rim, I don't know what it's called, wheel, I think let's just call it the wheel and the tire. Okay, so we're going just to clean it up with the knife. Make sure that be careful on using this, but you can use other clearing materials or other sharp objects, but make sure that you do it carefully and with the supervision of your parents or someone is older than you, if you are too young to do this kind of things. Okay, now that we're done with that, let's put this on the box so we'll be a little bit cleaner than other, not really personal, but other times, or yeah, just being clean. Okay, now for the main event. So we're going to do this thing. I don't know which part. Okay, so let's just call it the string A parts. This will be for the chassis. You'll be needing those. Okay, so fast forward again. By the way, guys, make sure that you be very careful of cutting this. I really don't know what this is called, but it has something to do with framing. Anyway, because there are some small key components that is needed for you to be able to build this. So like this one, it's so small. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it is. Wait. Anyway, it is so small that you might ended up, fracturing it. Like, wow, it's like a bone. But yeah, you might end up cutting it and not being usable. So be careful. Now that we're done with cutting all the pieces, as you can see, I've already put the body because I'm quite excited. Okay, let's move on to the actual thing. Okay, so this is the chassis. The first thing that we're going to do is put the bearings or in the wheel hub there. And you can see on this other part is you have some screws and stuff. So we're going to cut it and place the screws, all the screws here. But wait, because we'll be doing some managing. Okay, So you can see this gold thingy, you'll be putting it on the wheel bearing, on the black thingy that we did. So yeah, there we go. It will be easy, so don't worry. Yeah. Or you can not follow me or not be like me and, you know, read the manual for Pete's sake. It's the reason why the manual is there. Okay, so this white little gear will go on your motor and you need to adjust it depending on the gears that you'll be putting inside. So sometimes you need to adjust it a little bit closer to the edge and a little bit outer to the edge. So yeah. Okay. There we go. Okay, what's next? Now that those stuff are done. Okay, the first two metals are for wheels, as you can see. And these two oranges are for the gears that will make the wheels turn. So they are positioned right over here and here. And this thingy will go here. Wait. There you go. So once it turns, the wheel turns. Okay, for a better example, I'm going to put the wheel now. But before that, this little thingy, this is your on and off switch. So you'll be putting it here. And I think that's it. Okay, next would be, let's fix first the electronics. Okay, so electronics is hard and stuff because it needs precise thingy. Okay, for this one, you can see you need to put this one on here because of the battery terminal, if I'm not mistaken. This thing is 100% not aligned. Anyway, I'm gonna continue pushing it. You need to do some modifications for it to fit. There you go. There you go. Okay, it fits. So I need to a little bit. Okay, so finally it fits. So you need to do some alterations on the bending so you'll have a much better camera. Next would be this copper thing. You put it here in front. There you go. I don't know if that's the correct alignment. But okay, it is. You put the copper in front so the battery will connect. Just by doing this, I'm already losing my mind. Thank you, Tamiya. Anyway, so let's put the motor first. Upside down, put the flat surface on the flat surface in the motor holder and just clip it. Okay, if the clip-on suddenly came off, just put it right back and you're done. Okay, the motor is good, the switch is good. Now, I don't think we have anything else on that. Yes, I'm reviewing the manual. Okay, so this yellow one would be placing on this section over here based on the manual. We're going to this pin. This pin first should go here and you put it in this section. Now it won't fit. Why is that? There we go. Now it fits. Now as you can see, it now rolls. See? I need to push these two wheels together more. Okay. Now they roll. Okay, so I think we're done with that. But let's put the grease here first, because we need to put some grease on it. Said that put the grease. This is the grease, guys. The one in the blue. Yep, that's our grease. And some a little bit on this one. So now we put the gears here. I don't think we need other stuff. So we make sure that we clip them. There are some holes right there. There we go. See? It's moving. Okay, now we put this one. This is the front cover, of course, in front. There we go. So you can see that it's rolling. Now these are the battery lock, or just battery lock. There you go. Okay, so now the batteries will be in place. These two are for the front bumper. This is a pretty straightforward build. You put the rubber on those wheelies. Let's just call them wheelies. Okay. So this will be in front, if I'm not mistaken. For now, let's put the motor down below. So flip it. Put the motor. Okay. This is the side one. See? Put it there. Put the bracket or the closing thingy. There you go. So pretty much it's already complete. Now we put some batteries. Okay, so these are the AA batteries. It says 4 years thingy. Hey, I already opened them. Okay, let's get 2 of it. Okay. So we put it inside. So there's an indication of plus and minus. So this one is minus and plus. So there you go. Then this is plus. There you go. Lock it. Put the cover on. So we have a brief idea of how it will be looking. So you can see it already coming together. Sorry. I thought I destroyed it. Anyway, so put the lip on. There you go. It's in. Now this one is for the lock. So put that till it locks. Okay, so pretty much we're already done aside from the sticker. So moment of truth, guys. Will it run? Okay, how do you? Okay, side. Oh, it runs! It runs! Can you hear that? Can you hear it? Oh! It runs! See on the video? Look at the wheels. It runs for zoom effect. Focus on it. Yeah, there we go. Focus. Look at the wheels. It runs. By the way, this motor is supposed to be stock. I don't know if I just forgot how slow the stock motor or how fast the aftermarket motors, but this sounds fast. Yeah, that sounds fast. Okay. Oh my god, so pretty much that's it. There's still some few parts that are missing, but basically that's it. But by the power of editing, I'll show you the end product in just 3, 2, 1. Now, what do you guys think? For me, I really love how it turned out. I know the stickers are not in perfect alignment. I'm not a master of putting the stickers or, you know, a toy magician, but I love how it ended up looking because I built it. It has a certain memory and feel to it, having Max Breaker in my hands again. So yeah, I'm really happy building this. Okay, one last turn on. Wait. Damn. Yep. I know that there's still some tweaking that I need to do with Max Breaker because this screwdriver is really fat. I need the smallest one. But yeah, don't you guys go anywhere. Make sure to stay tuned on this channel because as you saw in the title, this is only part 1. Part 2 will be a head-to-head battle between Max Breaker and Blitzer Sonic. Now, if that's a content that you wanna see, make sure that you press the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon beside it, and make sure to select all so you'll be notified when the part 2 is released. Yeah, I have no words. I'm really happy with how Max Breaker look. Yeah, It's like certain degree of nostalgia is coming back. Like the first time that I'm building a mini 4-wheel drive. Yeah. So, this is me, Guyver, signing out and making sure that you guys will be back for more video, especially the part 2 on this, you know, mini 4-wheel drive Tamiya. I won't say series, but yeah. Bye!